Sa previous videos ko, makikita niyo dun yung struggle, yung low in confidence, and makikita niyo dun yung burnout. All those negative things. Pero merong side of me na sobrang positive na like ko sinasabing, I got this. I can handle it alone. Pero while I was doing my reflection last weekend, na-realize ko na just because you and I can do it alone, doesn't mean we have to. Merong quiet pressure that comes with being independent, that you need to show people that you can handle it alone, that you are fine, and that you are strong enough to rebuild your life from scratch na wala kang inaabalang ibang tao. Itong YouTube journey ko, it was an idea na gusto ko talagang i-execute, and nahanap ko yung confidence ko to start day one, and wala akong inabalang ibang tao. I didn't ask for any help kung paano ako mag-i-start. Itong pag-e-edit, pagre-record, pagpo-post, pagta-translate, even yung mga topics and script na nandito sa notebook ko na sinishare ko sa inyo ngayon, ako lahat yon alone. Kasi akala ko kapag nanghingi ako ng tulong, it shows weakness and that I am showing cracks na hindi ako confident sa gusto kong gawin, na people would doubt me. And ang katotohanan doon is that doing it alone might feel noble. Yes, if you achieve success on something that ikaw lang mag-isa, ego booster siya eh. And yun ang totoo, aminin na natin. But over time, taong ka lang din and it can break you. May mga times na sobrang nahihirapan ako kasi hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-juggle between producing a video and then looking for a job. Tayong mga tao kasi, hindi naman natin pinipiling ma-isolate. Yung ikaw lang mag-isa, ano yun, kailangan natin ng someone, a friend, a loved one na makakasama. Pero yung as a human being, yung isolation na yun, minsan survival lang siya eh. Ang sinasabi ko dito is that yung survival na aspect na yun is that to you get to manage your pain in silence. Tulad nito, nakikita niyo ako ngayon, nakapag-record ako. Nasi-share ko sa inyo yung mga ideas ko. Pero once na matapos to, when you log off, minsan yung kapag nag-edit na ako, it's just me and my thoughts. Marami na akong naiisip na worth it pa ba to? Nagme-make sense ba to para sa ibang tao kapag napanood nila? And yun yung sinasabi ko na minsan natututunan mong i-manage yung problema mo and that you smile in front of others. Pero kapag ikaw na lang ulit mag-isa, marami ka na ulit, may mga constant battles ka na in mind eh. And totoo yun, and I did that for like a good 2 months. Since nawalan ako ng trabaho, nandun ako sa spiral na yun. Pero slowly, people started reaching out. Ito yung mga friends and loved ones ko na nakapanood ng mga videos ko na nakita nila yung nag-i-struggle ako. So, nag-message sila, nangangamusta sila. And even you guys, itong mga nakapanood, yung ibang mga taong nag-iiwan ng comments sa mga videos. Malaking tulong yun because ang realization about that one is that you can carry the weight alone, pero hindi tayo meant as human beings to carry it alone. We needed someone for help. Ang ang mahirap lang siguro sa atin tanggapin or nalalagyan natin ng negative notion is that sometimes yung strength is not doing it solo. Akala kasi natin yung pagiging malakas sa buhay is kahit mag-isa ka lang, kaya mo lahat. Pero hindi eh. It is letting people in. It is saying na, hey, friend, I could really use some help, someone right now. Yung friend or someone na pwede mo pagkwentuhan, yung ma-release lang yung pressure. Because dito sa season na to of loss, of searching and rebuilding our lives, masasabi ko na I've found moments of connection through different people that carried me further, rather further than self-reliance ever could. So, may mga ibang tao talaga na, alam mo yung kailangan mo lang talaga tanungin eh, na, or sabihin na, kailangan ko lang talaga ng tulong. And most of the time, 90% people will help you. Kailangan mo lang talaga sabihin, or kailangan mo lang talaga mag-approach na genuine na, yes, kailangan ko ng help. Nag-i-struggle talaga ako ngayon. Now, bago ko tapusin tong video na to, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na we are strong. We are capable enough of doing these things. Pero kapag pagod ka na and hindi mo na kaya and you're quietly trying to figure it all out. Again, tulad ng sabi ko sa una, just because you can do it alone doesn't mean you have to. At some point, you need help. And kailangan mo lang din itanong. And again, open ako. Kung gusto mo lang din ng kausap, pwede ka mag-iwan ng comment sa baba. So, doon naman na ngayon. Excited for this new week, this new series na ipoproduce ko. So, share to sa mom nyo, colleagues, and friends nyo. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, friends.